I'm Brett McLean, you know me as BMC. Most people would know me on the island as soca. My life has been soca, so we couldn't do an event in New York at all unless we had some soca music. I know we got some reggae music, we got Georgie Doherty, we have Artlist, we have Rico Rolando, we have James Geary, we have Jimmy LaPierre, so I'm just representing soca music.
Stuart Wilson, heading off to New York for one night only. Joining James Geary, George Duarte, Jimmy on the steel drums. Looking forward to the show. See you guys here tonight. It's going to be, I think, a really good one. The band is ready. I'm ready. Also, Brent McLean is here with us, so we're really looking forward to it. See you there. Bless.
Hey y'all, Cayman to New York. New York to Cayman, we come and bring the culture. We're gonna bring some music, some delicious food. Shouts out to all the sponsors. We're gonna put them here in the video.
NYG 4-5 New York! We in New York, yo. Lord, finally back after all these years. Jeez. We're back. One night only, Cayman Islands to New York. We here, Maya, Jimmy, we all out here. You know, to come and check it out. We're gonna be at Nick Grill BK.
Yep.
I think it's gonna be very special because a few of us hasn't even played together before. Now that we have so much Cayman artists and creative minds together in one space. Oh my God, you can imagine how it's gonna turn out. So come out tonight, man. They're gonna be serious. They're gonna be serious. Oh Lord, yeah, man, we're in New York. We're in New York.
So my name is Maya Grant. I am here representing Fusion Mixology as their head mixologist. So we just came to the beautiful New York to bring a bit of local Caymanian mixology to the scene of what we would call Fifth Avenue Negro BK. So thinking about this event in general, I found myself thinking, what is it that I could do to elevate? What is it that I could tell a Caymanian to come and say, do, or experience, or be a part of? And personally, there's no way to not look at this opportunity as something we can capitalize on. Like, knowing that we have so much talent, so much culture, so many things that everybody in this country would want to be a part of, they're almost begging us to come here. So naturally, as a culture that is needing to put ourselves forward culturally and heritage-wise, this is an easy opportunity to take on and kind of be a part of. Overall, the event for me tonight was a success. I watched a lot of different people from a lot of different walks of life come and interact with Caymanian culture and the local fruits that we have to offer, the kind of flavor profiles. So no, definitely a thumbs up utilizing Cayman spirits and the Iguana gin, the Zeus gin as well. So no, just completely tremendous.
My name is James Antonio Geary, and this is the Cayman to New York series, a part of the Cayman to World series. I am the arbiter of this tour and event, and the reason I chose to do this was to unify all creative outlets in the Cayman Islands and bring them directly to the world without the need of being, as they say, an A-list artist and character. I just want to promote the arts and the creative arts in our whole country. And I want to expose our country's creativity to the world and expose them to Caymankind. That was my vision, and I feel like I'm carrying the Cayman Islands on my back, and I got a strong back, so we're going all the way. I think tonight went phenomenally. I really enjoyed the fact that all artists got a chance to shine, and we all were about collaborating with this state, with this country, but collaborating amongst ourselves. It was powerful. It's definitely what we needed, what we needed for a long time. And I'm very grateful for the fact that we can work together in continuity. Lost my voice after my performance, but my heart is very filled with gratitude. I feel very grateful for the night. We did it. Despite all odds, and there was a lot of them, we represented our country, whole land of salt, fresh breezes. You know, a big thing for me is collaboration. And that's what we've done on this tour. But this will be a call out to the public. If we could get some support by way of sponsorship or investment, we could really make this thing smooth. I've paid for this out of pocket so far. And it's really helped to realize the truth. I've gotten a lot of advice and a lot of behind the scenes help from people. But on the public front, I think we could use sponsorship and support. And it would really make the day of a lot of artists. Because while I've paid for accommodations and flights for everybody, like, I'd like to pay people for their times, creatives. And that's the whole point of this. So I'll keep doing this, but I beseech our community around us to get on board, find a way. Because it's not hard to do. We planned these things within days and executed them well, as we can see from tonight. So yeah, jump on board, people. You can do it. I know you can. We can do it together.
My name is Ian Alexander McRae. I'm an artist, painter, contemporary artist from the Cayman Islands. My art is trying to spread a message about Cayman not being kind anymore. Cayman is too expensive for Caymanians to survive. Caymanians can't get by in Cayman anymore. It's built for expats. It's a rich man's playground. Being in a place where Cayman is appreciated, being in a place where art and creativity is appreciated, people see you, people see the message that you're trying to send, and we need that more in Cayman, you know? I find Caymanians feel as though they're put into a small box, and we need to break out of it. And there's no reason why we can't. People in the generation before me had no role models, but my generation does, you know? We have role models to look up to. We have people that did it their way, and we have a path to follow. So there's no reason why we can't follow our dreams, why we can't push creativity in the Cayman Islands.
All the way from Cayman Islands, we had a great time tonight. It was awesome, great crowd response. And this is a great synergy of culture. You know, we got the food, we got the drinks, we got the people, the music, the art. And this is very conducive to a certain level of felicity in what we're doing, certain amount of synergy coming together, and we're extremely pleased with the way things turned out. So there's going to be more of these, so keep an eye on this.
Cayman to the world.
What?